Investing can be hard, but with the right tips and help, you can become rich and successful. Charlie Munger, Warren Buffett's famous business partner, has some of the best advice on how to invest and be successful with money, and the pros and cons of putting your money in different places. We'll also talk about the power of putting your money to work over and over again to get to $100,000. This advice from Charlie Munger is very helpful and can help you invest wisely and get rich and successful. Charlie Munger is one of the most successful business people in history. He is best known for being Warren Buffett's right-hand man. Together, he and Buffett have built Berkshire Hathaway into a $700 billion company. Munger has a simple plan for success. He fishes where the fish are. This means that he looks for ways to make money in industries that are profitable or growing. Munger is more likely to reach his goals if he focuses on industries with lots of opportunities, like software, instead of trying to break into more competitive industries like traditional automobiles. Munger's success is also due in large part to his intelligence, hard work, and honesty. Intelligence means being able to understand complicated ideas and use them in real life. Effort means putting in the hard work needed to get results. And integrity means living up to your own standards, no matter what other people say or think about you. These three factors are essential for anyone to be successful, but they are especially important for people who want to become very wealthy, like Charlie Munger has. Lastly, saving and investing your first $100,000 early can be a game changer, even if you don't pay attention to macroeconomic predictions. By putting your money where your mouth is and getting off to a good start, you give yourself a better chance of doing even better things in the future. Check out our website if you want to learn more about how Charlie Munger got to where he is today. When you start saving your money and investing it wisely, the power of compounding can take your investment portfolio to amazing heights. To illustrate just how powerful compounding can be, let's take a look at an example. Suppose you save $100,000 over 20 years and earn an average rate of 10% annually. This means that your initial investment would grow to approximately $675,000, a significant amount of money. However, if you stop saving after reaching $100,000 and allow compounding to work its magic on your investments, your portfolio would be worth over $2 million by the time you reach retirement age. Once you have saved at least six figures, though, you may reinvest the profits from your acquired assets. The sum of your account balance will consist of more than simply your own money. You won't need to save as much to reach your next $100,000, since the money you've already invested will create wealth without any more help from you. It is no secret that financial success requires hard work and dedication. However, one of America's most famous founding fathers, Ben Franklin, had some advice that can help you on your way to riches. In his book, The Wealth of Nations, Franklin said that it is important to keep your eyes wide open before marriage and half shut thereafter. This means being aware of all expenses and making smart decisions about what to spend your money on. Charlie Munger, the billionaire investor and vice chairman of Berkshire Hathaway, has also shown that one does not need a high salary to become wealthy. In a CNBC interview, he stated, "You don't need a high income. You just need a balanced income so you can live within your means without working too much." Charlie has amassed his billion-dollar fortune through owning stocks and ownership stakes, something that does not require high levels of technical expertise or even a lot of hard work. Achieving financial success requires understanding one's money, which means spending less than what you bring in each month. This is easier said than done, but by following some simple steps, it is possible to achieve success. For example, make sure you have an emergency fund in case of unexpected expenses, or be mindful about how much debt you are taking on each month by paying it off before the promotional period ends wherever possible. Finally, remember Ben Franklin's advice: keep your eyes wide open before marriage and half shut thereafter. Financial diversification is a key part of successful investing. Spreading your investments across different assets and markets makes it less likely that you'll lose a lot of money in one area. Too much diversification, on the other hand, can make it hard to keep track of everything and lead to average returns instead of potential gains. So, here are my final thoughts. Charlie Munger's advice for becoming wealthy and successful is invaluable. You can get amazing results if you understand how he got to where he is now, if you follow his advice for making money, and if you use the power of compounding to your advantage. Also, if you know the pros and cons of diversification, you can make smart choices that will help you get to $100,000 and beyond. Take advantage of this wisdom from Charlie Munger today and start investing wisely to become wealthy and successful. It could change the course of your life.